Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where your Nintendo Switch or your Switch Lite may not have access to the internet. Maybe it's having some connection problems. Maybe you think you're connected, but you're really not. And I'll go ahead and break down a couple of different ways that you can actually go ahead and troubleshoot these things. And most probably, you're in a good position because this thing is still pretty new and the Nintendo Switch is pretty new. So you're not going to have any crazy hardware defects, hopefully. But let's go and make our way over to the settings panel. So not here. You want to go ahead and click on the settings panel, which is right here. So go and click there. And once you're there, you want to click on your internet settings and then your internet, internet bar, then internet settings. And it's going to go ahead and tell you basically the specific Wi-Fi connections that are around you. Now, all you want to do is make sure that everything within your Wi-Fi connection looks good. You want to retype in your password and all that stuff. You want to make sure you're connected to a strong network as well. If you're in the middle of like a hotel or in the middle of nowhere or something and you don't have any good Wi-Fi signal or good connection in general, then you're not going to be able to connect to the internet. So you want to make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection or a strong wired connection, which I didn't even realize you could do a wired connection. So as long as those things are good, then you're pretty much set as long as you test the connection, which says right here, or save it, and you test it and it shows that it's good, then you should be set and that will probably alleviate that specific little situation. So the next thing you want to do is pretty much determine what you're trying to access. If you're trying to play your games online, which is probably 99% of you watching this video, then maybe it's just a problem with that specific server. And a great way to actually test this is to make your way over to any other app. So something like the Nintendo Switch, eShop, we can go and click here. And if you're able to load this up, now as you can see, it's telling me a system update is available or whatever. It doesn't really matter. What I'm going to do in this case is cancel it. But if you're able to go and actually open up any of these apps and anything else that requires internet connection and you're able to open it up, then you're set. If you're not able to open it up, then I would recommend updating your Nintendo Switch Lite. And most probably, like I said before, if you're able to connect to an internet connection, then this shouldn't be that crazy of a thing. You may have already have an update downloaded, you just haven't installed it. So I'd recommend updating your Nintendo Switch Lite to the most recent version that you can update it to. Now let's say you still updated your thing and it's still not working. Well, in this specific case, I would probably recommend doing a factory reset of some sort. So it's going to delete everything off your Nintendo Switch Lite. You can get there by going into your settings panel, which is right here. You would basically want to go into your settings, you want to click system, you want to scroll all the way down until you see formatting options, and then you basically want to click restore factory settings. And this should pretty much fix those issues that you're going to be having. Again, it will probably end up working regardless, but those are just a couple things in which you can do to fix your internet on your Nintendo Switch Lite if it's not working. So if you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.